Hi, my name is Ryan. I became a new homeowner in January. During the inspection, I knew the roof was old. It was going on its last legs. And I thought I had a couple more years, but San Diego had like one of the worst winters on record. We had like so much rain and wind last year. And all of a sudden I had some shingles come up. And it was very clear to me that it was time to get a new roof. Just like anyone else, Googled roofing companies, and Resilient was one of many that came up, and they had really good reviews. So I decided to give them a call. And right off the bat, as soon as I called, Camille answered the phone, and she was super nice and super friendly. And I had talked to a couple other companies, and they're a little wishy-washy about times and trying to schedule, and she was right on it, very professional, like this is what to expect, this is when they're coming. And Eric showed up right on time for his appointment. I asked him a lot of questions, and he was very upfront and honest with me. Bobby, the manager, was also just really authentic as well. I think the first day I met him, he was looking around, and I kind of was a little bit nervous. I'm, as a new homeowner, about to drop a lot of money on a new roof, and I'm like, I don't know. And he kind of just looked at me, and he was like, just so you know, I know what it's like being a new homeowner and having to go through this process. I just want you to know, I treat people's houses like I treat my own, and I'm going to treat your roof like I'm doing my roof on my house. And that was just really confirming for me, and it really made me feel super comfortable. If they came across any issues, they called me right away. They didn't make any decisions without consulting me. They ended up getting the project done in 3 days, which is really fast. I didn't expect that at all. So just kudos to them. That was great. So I got about 10 estimates. They were definitely the most reasonable. I'll recommend them 10 times out of 10, and if I ever need a new roof in 30, 40 years, I'll definitely give them a call again, for sure.